Today is on 5th of January. NFP will be starting today. It will be starting an hour late. Normally it's usually 12:30 GMT, but today we have it starting at 13:30. I don't know why, but the point is we have to make money. So NFP, non-farm payroll, so called, is a report that is submitted every Friday, first Friday of the month. So this is January. We are getting, this is the first Friday of January. We are getting an NFP report of last month, right? So why does the market move so rapidly when NFP comes up? So like I said, I tell you guys, and I said too, the market moves as a result of people acting on the market. The market won't move by itself. So you have buyers and sellers, bulls and bears. So these people, when they combine, they cause fluctuations in the market. So NFP, when you come to this website, by the way, this website is called investing.com. That's where you find the economic calendar. Also, we have another website here called Forex Factory, right here. So this one also is for events. You get to check the current ongoing events. So as you can see, like today we have lots of events here. These websites are on the description, so you can use them to check any events that may be of use to you. But today we are focused on non-farm payrolls, and maybe I'll touch on other bits on later videos, not this one. So NFP has, okay, every event has a focus, a previous and an actual. Not all events actually, because some events are not statistically recorded. So when looking at the NFP, you just look at the previous report, and a positive value of the NFP means that the market is the USD is gonna be stronger, and a negative value means the market is gonna be weaker. The USD, I mean, is gonna be weaker. So looking at this one, we have a previous value of 228, and people do expect a 190k value, right? So that's a negative value. Actually, it means the NFP will reduce. The USD will become weaker. And by USD becoming weaker, this means the economy becomes weaker, right? So how do you treat the NFP? So first of all, we're gonna just come here and look at these values. On the month of November had a 228k, but this month of December, people expect it to be 190k, while the actual differ from the forecast. For NFP case, most of the time, as you can see, this one actually the forecast was equal to the actual, but NFP, most of the time we find the actual differing from the forecast. So if people expect 190k and maybe we have a value of 250k coming in, that means we are going to have a very big impact in the market. Why? Because that's actually okay. It's because that's actually higher than the previous, and even very much higher than the forecast. So that's a very big bullish USD signal. So from there, let's just go on to the charts and look at just one NFP report that came out the previous month. Right here, yeah. So this one is November, 3rd of November last month. We have Euro USD. This is an NFP report. You see the impact? That's a big candle. It's a big candle. A single candle. These are 5 minutes candlesticks, by the way. I can retrieve the 1 minute, so pardon me. From here, we see a volatility of 304 points in the market. That's a very big volatility for one candle. So this is you simply trade this event. You just wait for the event to come out to tell you where we're heading to, which direction we are going. Okay, when the clock hits, the market will start moving to the direction, meaning that traders are acting according to the data they have received, and you have to join them. Do not go against them. As you can see, this candle, after 15:30, the candle started going up. You make a call trade, you make a buy, and thus you move with the market. And by the time the expiry was on point, you are in the money. So it's actually, that's it. That's what you do. Alright, so today we'll be recording the video for trading today's NFP so that we can do it in practical. Yeah, the problem with the NFP is that it moves so fast such that you cannot multitask when doing NFP, so we just have to stick to the chart and upload the video later. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Have a good time. We'll see each other during NFP.